This is Chad and Kevin again. In this video number 4, we're going to be talking about tinning braided wire.
Okay, so the wire that you should have received with your P4R robotics board is a solid core wire, meaning if you strip back the insulation, the wire that's underneath is one solid piece. If it's not, or if you have a need to use stranded wire, which means there's many different wires that are bound together, then you will want to tin it before you solder to the board. Before you tin the wire, you should take your fingers and twist the wires into a nice tight bundle. Flux the wire. Clean your solder tip with your brass wool and or sponge. And then we're going to coat the tip with a little bit heavier solder layer than we normally do. Take that solder and drag it over the wire, and you'll tin the wire. If you get too much solder on the wire, clean your tip and make sure it's very clean and do not tin. Apply a little extra flux to the wire, and then you can take your dry tip and run it over the wire, and it will pull off the extra solder because heat flows to the heat source, which in this case is the solder tip.
Video 5 is coming up next, more on soldering.